Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State with fastcashwithsharon.com and createwealthwithsharon.com. Folks, I just want to say this to you that I cannot emphasize enough how important it is for you to get that feeling, that kind of feeling of owning your own dream home, of getting that feeling for paying your own mortgage instead of have to pay somebody else's mortgage. Okay, folks, my name is Sharon and I am an EXP realtor slash consultant. Okay, yes, you talk with me, I can see where you're at, and of course I can plug you into one of our programs that our company has. you know um, Many think that they cannot move into their dream home, they cannot own their home because they have bad credits. Folks, that is not 100% true, because you know what, there is help. There is absolutely help in all of those. We have programs that can help you to get your credit back together, program that can plug you in, um, so that you can be able to choose your home, so that you can be able to have your own dream home. Folks, reach out to me, Sharon Naraine. Reach out to me, please. Text me, call me, 352 805 9846. 352 805 9846. And I can do business with you from all across the continental USA. Yes, folks, that's true. I will be able to get you an agent who will work with you very closely in whichever state you live in. Okay? That will not be a problem. I'm licensed to do that. Now, you need to reach out to me, folks, as well as if you would like to go to my website in the meantime, you can go to sharonnaraine.exprealty.com. Again, that's sharonnaraine.exprealty.com. Okay, reach out to me, folks, reach out. Okay, we do have programs to fit anyone, regardless of your credit, regardless of what's going on. Okay, so please help me help you so that you can be able to step into your beautiful home. You can be able to spend your money on your own home instead of on somebody else's. Okay, folks, that's my promise to you as your friend. Okay, consider me as your friend. Okay, again, peace out, take care, bye for now.